Hi, today I'm using Google Pixel Fold and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while home screen with your finger, the application with your finger and drag this up to another one. And now we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter, for example, the apps. If you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, hold the application and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with the app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen from the folder, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Or also you could remove all of the applications from the home screen by this way, just hold and drag it with a folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.